Hi, so this is SenseCraft AI, Seed Studio SenseCraft AI web page or website. You can see this is for deploying different AI models on devices like Shayo ESP32, S3 Sense, Groove Vision AI V2, Recomputer, Jetson. So this website, you can go to this link, SenseCraft AI of Seed Studio. So you can see there are different public AI models available. There are various models like face detection, general object detection, fate detection, pose estimation, person detection with swift or YOLO, emotion classification, person intrusion detection, gesture detection, face detection, mask detection, and so on. So you can filter out this model according to tasks, supported devices, and publisher. So on this website you have to first log in with your user ID. You have to create account and then log in with your user ID. These are all public models. You can also upload your own models and click on by clicking on this add model. For that you have to first log in with your user account. These are all filters. You can see there are 60 models available right now, and you can filter out using these tasks. So task is detection. If you click on detection, you will get all these classic model classified according to the detection. All detection related model will get listed here. Face detection, object detection, fate detection, etc. If you click on classification, you will get models related AI models related to classification, person classification, emotion classification. These are all task segmentation, pose, generation. So in generation you can also see a mini GPT-4. So give your local running LLM an access to. It is supported by only Recomputer Jetson. Likewise, you can see here the supported devices are Recomputer Jetson, Chayo ESP32, S3 Sense, Groove Vision AI V2. So you can filter out this model according to your device and then deploy them. So let's see, for our Groove Vision AI V2, click on this. You will get models, public AI models supported by Groove Vision AI V2 like pet detection, gesture detection, face detection, person classification, and so on. So we'll use this person detection model, which is based on YOLO V8 framework. You can also use YOLO V5 or Swift YOLO. You will see demo of this YOLO V8. Click on it. You will get another page where all the information about this model and details are given. So this is person detection YOLO V8 model. Model is trained on person detection dataset. You can see the supported devices is Groove Vision AI V2. Model precision is INT8. Model format is TF Lite. In model instruction they have given that this is person detection model designed based on YOLO V8 framework, which is characterized by fast and accurate, enabling high performance target detection in embedded systems, like which are we call as resource constrained devices. The model performs well in target detection and is especially suitable for real-time character detection scenarios. By deploying this model to Groove Vision AI V2, you can take full advantage of its detection algorithms to achieve efficient target recognition and tracking. The Groove Vision AI V2 platform provides strong hardware support, which enables this model to run in resource-constrained environment for a variety of real-world scenarios, such as intelligence surveillance, security systems, etc. So you can see and go through this documentation. You can see here model reference example image, in which these are bounding boxes with confidence detection confidence is given here. 92, 88. So there are only one class, which is person. So let's deploy this model on our Groove Vision AI V2. You have to click on this deploy model button. So on next page you will see the name of model, person detection, supported devices, and they have shown this video how you can connect Vision AI V2 to camera via CSI connection cable. So this is a Groove Vision AI V2 board which you have to connect with this FRC CSI cable. Then this is the camera module. You have to connect this camera module here like this, and then you can connect this whole assembly to your computer via USB cable. So you can see this video again. Alright, you have to put the camera here, and this is the whole assembly, camera and Groove Vision AI V2. Once you connected it to your computer via USB, then you have to select the serial port. So let's click on this connect button. So it will ask first, you have sure to deploy this model, which model, person detection model, YOLO V8, just confirm it. Okay, here it will pop up this serial port window. You have to now connect your Groove Vision AI V2. Once you connect, you will get here COM port, your serial port get listed here of Groove Vision AI V2 module. Just click select it and click on connect. So once you connect it, you will see your model will get flashed. So currently we have already flashed that model, that's why it is saying it is a same model. In your case it will flashing process will start. We will see that in later part this video. So you can see the model name is person detection, which is already running on this Groove Vision AI V2 board. This is showing preview of camera here. These are settings, which is a confidence threshold. You can see confidence refers to the level of certainty of probability or probability assigned by a model to its predictions. You can set it according to your needs. So we will set it as where default. Then there is the IOU threshold, which means it is used to assess the accuracy of predicted bounding boxes compared to the truth bounding boxes. So we'll also keep it as it is. Now you can see here preview, and let's see the demo how this model of person detection perform on Groove Vision AI V2 board. So in this way you can see this model will perform. Now let's upload a different model. Just stop this preview and you can upload your custom model if you want. Now let's use another ready to use models. You can see there are different ready to use models here. Let's go back to AI models again. So here Groove, select Groove Vision AI V2 and now select this gesture detection model. So this is gesture detection model. This model is Swift YOLO model trained on gesture detection dataset. You can see the supported devices are Groove Vision AI V2, model precision INT8, model format TF Lite. The character detection model is based on Swift YOLO framework. So recognize different gestures in images. So you can go through this documentation. The more here the classes are, there are three classes: paper, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. You can see this inference image, example image. This will show all the classes are getting detected using bounding boxes. So let's deploy this model. Click on this deploy model button. So we have seen this earlier. You can how you can connect the camera via CSI cable. Click on here connect button and click on confirm, connect your board, and now you can see the process of how this model will get download and flashed onto your device. So you can see the flashing process started. The models got downloaded. The gesture detection model got downloaded. Now it is flashing onto your device. You can see the percentage here. So once the model get flashed, you will able to see the preview here where we can detect different gestures. Rock, paper, scissors. We'll see that in a minute. Alright, you can see this gesture detection model has been deployed. Now let's see the preview here. You can see, and let's see how it detects gestures. So in this way, this model detects different gestures. Now let's see another model. Just stop the preview and click on the ready to use models. Just first disconnect the board, go to AI models, select the True Vision AI V2, and now let's see person classification model. So we have seen one detection model. Now let's see the classification model. So this model is designed for person classification. Supported devices is True Vision AI V2, Model Precision INT8, and Model Format TFT Lite. This model is designed for person classification, and its main function is to efficiently recognize and distinguish the person or absence of person in an image or video. Through advanced deep learning techniques, model is able to accurately detect human bodies in a scene. So let's see this. You can see the model reference images here. So you will see the bounding box around person and the level of confidence here. And there are two classes, person and not a person. So let's deploy this model. Let's connect our board. So this is a person classification model. Confirm it. Select our board. Alright, now model is deploying and flashing. Okay, model got deployed here, and you can see now it is showing low confidence because there is no person here in a preview. Now let's see the how it will perform when there is a person in this found in this window to view. So in this way, this model will perform. Let's stop it. Let's disconnect our board. Now you can go to AI models again, and let's see if there is another model you can use. Okay, okay, let's use this person detection YOLO Swift YOLO model. It is detecting. It is based on Swift YOLO framework. All right, let's deploy that model. Confirm. Select device. Connect. All right. Now this model is got deployed on Groove Vision AI V2 board. You can see the name of model is person detection Swift YOLO, and let's see how it performs. So in this way you can deploy this person detection Swift YOLO model. Let's stop it. Let's disconnect it. Go to another. Okay, so this is all about the deploying SenseCraft AI public AI models using this tool. You can go to this tool on this link and connect your board, SIO ESP32 Sense or Groove Vision AI V2, and according to you can deploy the model. So in case of SIO ESP32 Sense, you have to select it here, then go to that model and deploy that model. The procedure will be same for the devices. Say both devices, Groove Vision AI V2 and SIO ESP32 Sense. So thank you.